everyone, this is Bernadine from Beyond the Harvest. And as usual, I'm always excited to share my recipe with you guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a parasite cleanse. This morning when I was reading Psalms 51, verse 2 and verse 7 was very interesting to me. Verse 2 says, "Wash me thoroughly from my iniquity and cleanse me from my sins." And verse 7 says, "Purge me with hyssop, and I shall be clean. Wash me, and I shall be whiter than snow." I know that this cleanse is not going to make you whiter than snow, but it will get rid of parasites in your body. And the good thing about this cleanse, it has a very pleasant taste. It's not one of those cleanses that you have to drink all of these herbs that might taste disgusting, and when you drink it, it will make you feel sick. This is not going to do that. Okay, so let's get started. Here we have all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of raw organic pumpkin seeds, 1 orange, and 1 lemon. The reason why I'm using pumpkin seeds is because pumpkin seeds is high in fiber, and pumpkin seeds is also known to get rid of parasites in our body. Pumpkin seeds also have magnesium, potassium, copper, zinc, and antioxidant, which helps protect us from free radicals. Pumpkin seeds is very good for us. The next ingredient I'm excited about is the garlic, because most of us love garlic. Whether it's cooked or it's raw, we enjoy using garlic. And garlic has a mineral called selenium, which is very good for triggering liver enzymes, and it naturally flushes out toxins from our body. As we know, garlic is good for our heart. It's very good for high blood pressure, to lower the blood pressure, but it also promotes the production of white blood cells. Actually, garlic is a natural antibiotic. It's also antiviral and antibacterial. A lot of times we have infections, and when we use garlic, raw garlic, maybe we might use it with honey, garlic and honey, or we might just use garlic and lemon, and it works really well to get rid of infections. So today I'm adding garlic to this recipe because I know it will work together with the rest of the ingredients to help us get rid of parasites. We know that orange and lemon is full of vitamin C, and it also is high in antioxidant, which helps to protect us from viruses. And lemon also have an alkaline effect on our body. It can restore the body's pH balance. So you see, we don't have to use apple cider vinegar to alkaline our body. Here is some very important information on vinegar and your health. We can just use lemon in some warm water, and it will detoxify your body, but it's also gonna help bring up your pH balance. Okay, so I put everything in the blender, and I'm just gonna blend it up until it's nice and smooth. This is a recipe that comes out like a smoothie, but just in case you don't want it to be that thick, what you could do is add some water or maybe another orange to this recipe. It still will work to get rid of parasites in your body. And remember, whatsoever you eat or drink, do all to the glory of God. So here you can see this is what it's going to look like after you finish blending it. I hope you would try this recipe and share it with others. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. May God bless you.